Hey y'all, it's Njtty, aka Baby Preppa. So, I got an off-grid washing machine here. So it's hand-powered, and I gave it a try earlier today before I filmed this video, and I didn't seal the lid all the way, so the water went all over the floor. So I just got done mopping up, and I'm doing my kids' laundry here. As you can see, it's probably about at least a couple gallons of water. It might be a 5-gallon jug. But I'm going to show you how it works. So I already loaded her clothes in here. So I got a few of her little outfits in there. And so I'm going to show you how to rinse them. Okay. If you want to wash them, you should just add soap first, and then you add the water and then the clothes. But like I said, I gave it a try earlier and water went everywhere. So now I'm going to rinse them. I already did the soap and everything, and then sent them through. You just fill it up. It's gonna be a while. When I'm doing this is the drain pipe. When you're done, just dump it in there. I'll show you guys how it works later. Just want to fill it up. And this one here, depending on how many clothes you got. Get it full. It's about here. This lid's kind of tricky. So you gotta make sure that the divots kind of go here, and you gotta twist it. Because I didn't have it on all the way earlier. I thought I did, but I didn't. That's why the water came whooshing out, and it went all over the floor and the counter here. So you gotta make sure it's on just right. And then you seal it up and push that down. And make sure it's good and tight, otherwise your water's gonna go out the sides. So let's give it a spin. Good. It's got suction cups too, so it helps. The suction cups help it stay in place. So I'm just rinsing her clothes now. Just for a few minutes, just to get all the soap out. I barely use any soap to begin with. There's so much bleach in the water up here where we live now. We don't live in Minneapolis anymore. We moved to a suburb. Like literally, the tap water tastes like pool water. They put so much chlorine in it out here. Install the drain pipe. This one's kind of weird because you gotta line up those two little grooves way down, and then you gotta line them up these grooves right here. And just like you would twist and lock them in. There you go. I'll set this to dry. I don't want it to be nasty. And this is good because it's like the power goes out. You don't have to worry about washing your clothes then because you just do it by hand. It's a little more, you know, more work, but that's fine. You know, if you want, you can send it through the wash one more time, hand wrench things. You know, so I don't know if you guys can see this. So I'm gonna switch your clothes over to the to this thing. But yep, this is how this one works. You can see it's got the handle, it's got suction cups. So it's a pretty good sized jug. So I ordered it from Walmart. It was like, with tax and everything, it was like $68 or something. So it's mostly plastic and I think aluminum. But yep, this is my new washing machine.